Welcome. Today I am with Xiaomi Poco M4 Pro 5G from the European distribution, and I will show you all box accessories. So in this place you can find SIM tool. Alright, here we got the stickers. There's a warranty card, safety information, and quick tutorial. Also the flexible silicone case. It's easy to put it on. There's the camera bumper that protects from scratches. Inside we can find original charging brick. And the USB-C cable with signature orange part right here and right here. If you wonder about the headphones, unfortunately you cannot find them here, so you have to get the additional ones. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.